Hello there. I'm trying to use up some of my small canvases now. I've got rather a lot of them. So today I have decided to do a reverse dip using a metallic pattern for a shape that might or might not end up looking like a flower, which I saw Fiona Art do yesterday. She has started doing some video tutorials for beginners, and I actually rather enjoyed what she had done. And because I have been making up my metallic based paints, which I showed you in my last video, number 189, I want to just have a play around with the colours, then put a piece of damp table napkin over the top and lift it to see what the result is. So my colours I'm using today, I will be using the silver that I love so much, and I'm going to do multicolours. So I want to do, all these are metallic, I want to do red and pink together, green and green together, blue and blue together, orange and gold together, and coffee and copper together. So I'm going to put a piece of card across the middle to find my middle spot, and then I'm going to start dotting those paints on. Well, that didn't come out too badly. It's not really the sort of flower that I like to produce, but it is still a great way for me to play around with all the metallics. I did add another paint to it, and that was dark green, or I think from memory phthalo green, and I added that to sort of give a bit more definition to the green areas, which are supposed to be representative of leaves. But never mind. I will bring it up closer to the camera now for you to see how pretty it looks, and I'm really interested to see how it dries for two reasons. I want to see how self-leveling the paint is, because you've got some areas here which are kind of still a bit greeny. And as my base coat was the mix between phthalo blue and phthalo green, I'm wondering how well that will actually dry blackish. So I'm looking forward to seeing the result of that. Probably I will show you in my next video, I'll just have to see. So that's it for me, for my painting for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.